Guys, this is the best way of uninstalling the apps from your Android phone. Some people uninstall the apps in the wrong way, whereby they press on the app and immediately they press on the word uninstall, not knowing that once you uninstall the app, some files will remain in the file manager. So what you need to do is to place on the app info, then go to storage and cache. Then here you place on clear storage. Here they are saying this app's data, including files and settings, will be permanently deleted from this device. Then you have to place on the word delete. As you can see, the data is cleared, is deleted. Then you go back. Once you go back, place on the word uninstall. Here you can place on the word delete app and the data. You delete. Do you want to uninstall this app? Then you will have to place OK.